Romesh Sabharwal, I say this as a political observer. Mr. Sabharwal and Piyush and Shehzad are on the debate. As a political observer, I will say this, that when I look at the amount of personal investment and time that the Prime Minister has given, 180 rallies, almost 80 to 85 media interviews. You say the Prime Minister doesn't give interviews, he's given 80 to 85 media interviews. And unlike Rahul Gandhi, he's not gone to England in between. Like Rahul Gandhi went, I think, in the middle of his luxury bus yatra. My question to you is, my question on this one is, the Prime Minister's personal involvement in the campaign indicates that he is going all out for it. He's going all out for it, and therefore he knows that maybe there is an undercurrent for him. And he needs to maximize it, right? He needs to maximize it, Mr. Sabharwal. So when a leader puts so much of his own effort, obviously the victory or loss will purely be his, right? Go ahead, sir.
Because he has a guilty. Now,
because he has a?
Guilty. Because he has not performed. He has not performed. Let me speak now.
No, he's campaigning because he's guilty.
Yeah. मेरे को बोलने दीजिए, आप 2 मिनट दे दीजिए. Why the people of India will not vote for Modi? Dictatorship. Gabbar Singh tax, price rise, division of country like Britishers, Hindu, Muslim, gas rates, petrol rates, unemployment, disrespect to women, disrespect to sportsmen, killed farmers, Manipur, communalism, haterism, electoral bond scam, धंधा कमीशन, बीफ कंपनियों से पैसे,
बीफ कंपनी से,
मंगलसूत्र,
इंडिया में बीफ एक्सपोर्ट होता है,
टूटी ले जाएंगे, टूटी ले जाएंगे,
कंपनी एक्सपोर्ट बीफ, कंपनी अलाउड टू एक्सपोर्ट बीफ,
ही यूज द वर्ड टूटी, संविधान चेंज कर देंगे, मिसयूज, अब बीच में क्यों बोलते हो आप क्यों बोलते हो?
कंपनीज डोंट एक्सपोर्ट बीफ इन इंडिया।
ये मैनर्स है, अब हमारे मुंह नहीं उठाते जब हम लोग बोलने लगते हैं।
Mr. Sabharwal, where is he said has changed the constitution? I don't expect this from a senior leader.
पूरी पार्टी बोल रही है उनकी,
आप बताइए,
पूरी पार्टी बोल रही है, पूरी पार्टी बोल रही है,
प्राइम मिनिस्टर,
पूरी पार्टी बोल रही है। तो किसने बोला? मेरे लीडर ने बोला जिहाद को वोट दो, मेरे लीडर ने बोला पाकिस्तान को वोट दो।
पार्टी लीडर ने बोला।
आप लोग सब झूठ बोलते हो या मिसलीड करते हो, मिस इन्फॉर्म करते हो ब्रिटिशर्स की तरह। आपको ये सजा मिलेगी इस 4 जून के बाद। भारत की जनता ने,
जैसे आपको पता है, मेरी बात सुन लीजिए, आप इमोशनल मत, जैसे आपको पता है, आपने कहा कि बीजेपी के कोई कैंडिडेट्स ने ऐसी बात कही संविधान के बारे में, उस पर क्लियरली खंडन ही नहीं, पूरी विस्तृत तरीके से इलैबोरेशन प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने 80 इंटरव्यू में कहा कि कोई नहीं तोड़ सकता, मैं कभी नहीं तोड़ूंगा। आपने मुस्लिम कोटा पे क्लैरिफिकेशन क्यों नहीं
दिया? मुस्लिम कोटा
आपने क्यों नहीं?
किस कंट्री, किस स्टेट में
आप क्यों नहीं कहते आप मुस्लिम कोटा नहीं देने वाले?
कहां पर है? गुजरात
आप बोलिए ना, हम नहीं देंगे।
गुजरात में
गिव द एग्जांपल।
No. Why don't you clarify? We won't give the Muslim quota.
Okay.
You have an opportunity. I'll quote you. मैं हेडलाइन बना दूंगा, आप बोलिए।
कहां है कोटा?
है
ही नहीं।
आपने अपने मैनिफेस्टो में लिखा है?
लिखा ही नहीं हुआ।
लिखा हुआ है?
नहीं लिखा हुआ।
आपने बोला जजेस, माइनॉरिटी शुड बी मेड जजेस, माइनॉरिटी शुड बी मेड जज, लिखा है,
गांधी has said Muslim
लिखा है।
ये सब झूठ। हिंदू मुसलमान हिंदू, भगवान से डरो यार,
शाहीन बाग,
डर जाओ।
शाहीन बाग,
ब्रिटिशर्स वापस आ गए।
शाहीन बाग, भारत तेरे टुकड़े होंगे, अफजल हम शर्मिंदा है, तेरे कातिल जिंदा हैं, हुआ तो हुआ, 1984 हुआ तो हुआ। किसने कहा भारत तेरे टुकड़े होंगे? उनके साथ खड़ा कौन रहा? लेके रहेंगे आजादी किसने कहा? उनको टिकट किसने दी? बताइए, मुझे जवाब दीजिए। चिल्लाना मैं भी जानता हूं सबरवाल जी, मगर सच्चाई से आपको एक तरह से मैं आपको वाकिफ करूंगा। आप मुझे बताइए, आपने शाहीन बाग पर आपकी पोजीशन क्या थी जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा, when the Supreme Court of India said please don't block the roads? Is it true or not that your leaders stood there and they said let there be a blockage of the roads? Sir, which side were you on? On Muslim quota? Why don't you clarify?
हमारे लिए सब बराबर है, हिंदू मुसलमान दोनों बराबर है हमारे लिए, सारे धर्म बराबर है।
Can I give you proof, audio proof?
Let us.
You tell Piyush. He's responding to you.
One second.
Piyush,
So one second. Piyush, just 10 seconds.
I've been silent for a very long time.
Piyush, only Piyush.
Just 10 seconds.
Piyush and Shehzad, hot debate.
Just 10
There was
seconds.
a valid question asked
10
by
seconds,
Nabi
Piyush ji.
that the Prime Minister has addressed around
Piyush ji,
180
just
odd
10
times.
seconds. Let me put the proof, then you can answer. Just 10 seconds.
Okay, please go on.
Please, just 10 seconds. Here is the video of Rahul Gandhi talking about Muslim quota. अरे आप सुन लीजिए ना, आप क्या क्यों इतना नाटक कर रहे हैं?
let us bring back a question.
Please, bhai, what is this?
I can't hear it.
I can make you hear. Bhai, please, Piyush ji, 10 seconds. Piyush ji, I'm putting the proof. I'm putting the proof. Arnab, have you called him only to interrupt and shout and spoil the entire building
Can he debate
atmosphere?
with Piyush for a minute?
I'm giving a proof.
Okay.
Please.
Now what I'm trying to say.
Please, 1 second, wait.
भाई साहब
हम
कुछ सुनाई
देंगे।
नहीं आ रहा।
हम मुसलमान भाइयों को आरक्षण देंगे।
हम
कहा है?
मुसलमान भाइयों को आरक्षण देंगे। कर्नाटका में दिया, तेलंगाना में दिया, आंध्र में
आपने क्यों
दिया,
नहीं
और मुलायम सिंह यादव की पार्टी ने तो कहा कि संविधान में चेंज करके देंगे। रामगोपाल यादव ने कहा, लालू ने कहा पूरा दे देंगे। ये कहने के बाद आप कह रहे मुस्लिम आरक्षण नहीं दिया। एक बार लिख कर दे दीजिए कि नहीं देंगे। और ये ममता बनर्जी का कोर्ट का ऑर्डर है, टीएमसी की सरकार के कोर्ट के ऑर्डर, टीएमसी के ऑर्डर को खारिज किया गया। अरे भाई 2 दिन पहले पैरा 332 पैरा 332 सुनिए,
He stood up now.
पैरा
He stood up
332
now.
no,
Why are you
listen,
standing
I want to
up?
quote
No,
the
you can also stand up.
I am quoting
I'll
the
also
West Bengal
stand up.
government.
I am also standing.
ओबीसी के बारे में
I'll stand up.
मुसलमान भी ओबीसी नहीं होते
I'll stand up.
अरे भाई साहब,
अरे मुसलमान में ओबीसी
give me
नहीं
an
होते।
opportunity to read the High
What
Court
are you?
order.
You show it to me. I'll
This
give
is
it
the
to
High
you.
Court order
Show it to me.
of
भाई
2
साहब,
days ago.
Oh, you see this
Please.
High Court order.
Please,
I know
para
this.
331. It appears that the sole and primary
Please stand down.
consideration of the commission, this West Bengal government commission, had been to make religion-specific recommendations.
अरे OBC
The court
commission
is of the
मुसलमानों
view
को दिया।
that the 70 classes of Muslims as backward
अरे
is an
गुजरात
affront
में दिया
to the
है।
Muslim community,
अरे
and they cannot be
मुसलमान
treated as a
क्या
political
क्या
end.
मुसलमान देश के नागरिक नहीं है।
This is the Bengal High Court order.
ओबीसी को दिया
Sir, this.
मुस्लिम में ओबीसी
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute.
Bengal
Sir, what
में-
is your source of information?
Sir, मैं बताता
What is Dhruv Rathi?
सर
My question is, please be serious.
It might be Kamal Khan now.
Please understand.
It is KRK,
I am-
not even
I am-
Dhruv Rathi.
I am-
मिस्टर मोदी
Sir, I'll tell
तो सारे
you.
देश में झूठ बोलते
I'll
हैं
tell you, sir. Listen,
मिस्टर मोदी
listen to me, sir.
मिस्टर मोदी झूठ बोलते हैं सारे देश
Sir,
में
1 minute. Sir.
Can you please
one minute.
quote this statement?
I'd say one
Quote
thing. to you.
this statement
I'd say one
of
thing to you.
Mr. Ram Gopal
that
Yadav.
when
Please,
the when
Please
1 minute.
quote Mr. Ram Gopal
1
Yadav's
minute.
statement.
1 minute. The point being that to say that we will give Muslim quota means
हमने कभी
you
कहा
will give quota only on the basis
कभी कहा
of
ही
being
नहीं।
Muslims. And as you realize, and Lari ji will tell you, there are no castes and therefore there are no backward castes in the Muslim community. Am I right, Mr. Lari?
है
Am I right or am I wrong?
मुस्लिम में ओबीसी है
Am I right or wrong?
They are getting it. Already they are getting it in UP also. Already Muslims are getting reservation in UP, Bihar, Bengal, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, and Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya
Not as Muslims.
But
Not as
Economic
Muslims.
backwardness,
You are
yes.
promising, sir, the point being, you are promising, across the board reservations as Muslims. That's wrong. You see,
सर पहले तो आज आपने ऐसा लोगों
Please read the Ram Gopal Yadav statement. I just request
What
you.
is the topic that we are
anyway,
debating
now
tonight?
listen.
I just request you to read
Now,
this
which
one
way?
statement. I request you to
No,
read one
people who are
statement.
watching are
One
saying,
statement, Arnab,
sir,
please
there's nothing
request.
to read here. They
Please.
demanded proportionate reservation for Muslims.
Through constitutional amendment.
Yeah, I've seen
Through
that.
constitutional amendment.
I'm saying-
You are demanding reservation for Muslims for being Muslims.
Now,
I'm
can
saying-
In the
come in?
हमको
constitution.
ऑलरेडी मिल रहा है
Yeah.
हमको ऑलरेडी रिजर्वेशन मिल रहा है पूरे देश में मिल रहा है
Piyush,
Yeah.
Piyush,
So,
Piyush,
you know
Piyush.
what I'm trying to say that the Prime
Piyush,
Minister
Piyush. Audio is
the
back.
Prime
Piyush
Minister has
said-
conducted
Piyush said
180
Piyush said
rallies. That's fine. So he's a hard-working man for that, and I agree that the Prime Minister works very, very hard.
Yeah.
But why does he need to? Why does he need to invest so much? No, because he's talking a lot but saying very little. Whatever he is saying is not striking chord with the public, and that is why 90% of his speech is consisting of the opposition bashing. Hardly 10% he talks about his own achievement over the last 10 years. All the time he's either talking about religion, or he's talking about Pakistan, or he's talking about what the Congress has done in the past. अरे भाई आप 10 साल से सरकार में हो, अपने achievements पे 90% speech बनाओ ना. Every day you see a different headline, either on the religion, either it is a religion-centric headline, or it is an opposition-centric headline, or it is Gandhi family-centric headline. But talk some sense. You are. If you want to be a statesman, speak like a statesman. Don't speak like a local parshad or a councillor. At times, even they speak better than the honorable Prime Minister of this country.